Hi Manish, so tell us about your PMP training.
That's really great. The experience was an eye-opener for us. Though we are into same projects for last so many years, especially I am in the field of projects for last 23 years, and following all the processes. But the way PMI has distributed those processes and the groups, and the way they follow the procedures and the guidelines and scopes are really an eye-opener, and this will help us to actually do the project in much better way, much controlled way, and the documentation part is well defined in the system. That will help us in maintaining our records also and correcting our processes internally. Not for me, for the entire team who are working in Tata Communications. Thanks.
So was the Javed as a trainer was able to meet your expectation in terms of training requirement?
Yeah, definitely, because I had attended so many trainings and I found the trainer is the best one, who is so friendly, so practical, and he has got ample of those documents, the examples, the supporting documents, the data which are relevant, 100% relevant to the exact subject that is what is being described. And not only the subjects, but the way he describes with the supportive examples, and the way he gives the authority to discuss in open with all the candidates is something which brings out the final outcome of the discussion, and which is relevant to the subject which Javed is explaining. So I think it's the best trainer that I have seen in so far in all those.
So to make it more tangible, what will be a rating on the scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the best and 1
I'll give 4.5 because everyone has gotten some dates of some improvement areas, and so more the video clips, more the examples, more the familiarity with the system, more the practicality will certainly improve on both sides, and that will give more edge to trainer and tutor also.
Yeah. Well, would you recommend this training to your friends and colleagues and your organization?
Yeah, certainly.
Especially Javed?
Yeah, surely. That's see, the training is one of the best training that I have seen, and the coverage and the way that Mr. Trainer or Javed has explained is something fantastic. Few people do do these trainings in so practical way. So I'll definitely recommend Mr. Javed for training to not only to my team members or my groups. Wherever I go and found this people who are in need of this training, I'll certainly recommend Mr. Javed to go for the training.
Thank you, sir.